Okay, today we're going to look at the RGB LED strip lights. And so I'm just going to go through the actual remote app and just go through the different colors and all the different aspects of it and features. And so here we'll continue. So the package includes the remote, the lights, you have your cable, connectors, manual, remote, pretty much everything you need to pretty much play with the settings and everything. So here I'm just plugging everything. First you plug in the plug, then the little remote that connects to it, and then you connect it to the strip lights. Make sure it's connected all the way so it has the right amount of power. I'll have the remote icon to the very top right. And I'm also going through the app so you can see what the app looks like and what options you have. And so this is the little remote that's connected to the strip light. Pretty much you have your color, speed, mode, and demo. And I'm just going to go through each one. Now the app gives you a lot more range and different options that the remote and also the remote that's connected to the LED that doesn't give you. And so preferably if you're gonna do some videography or something, you're probably gonna want to do the remote and set schedule and do different things with it. I'm going through all the color. And so I'm just pressing each different option in the remote so you guys can see what it looks like. And if that's something that you probably want to use or do. I hope this video helps you guys in your buying decision process. And if you have any questions, just ask. If you like, please like and subscribe. And I'm just going to continue on with the different options. And as you can tell, the light, you can dim it, you can brighten it. There's many different things you can do with it. This is great for, again, like videography, photography. And thank you for watching the video.